of the City Council of Mission Viejo, I would like to present this proclamation proclaiming March 2025 National Nutrition Month. Whereas food is the substance by which life is sustained, and whereas the type, quality, and amount of food that individuals consume each day plays a vital role in their overall health and physical fitness. And whereas better nutrition is related to improved infant, child, and maternal health, stronger immune system, safer pregnancy and childbirth, non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and longevity, and whereas there is a need for continuing nutrition education and a community-wide effort to enhance healthy eating practices. And whereas food connects us is the theme for the National Nutrition Month 2025, which serves as a reminder that food is a connecting factor for many of us. Food connects us to our cultures, our families, our friends. Sharing a meal is an opportunity to learn about its preparation, who made it, and where the ingredients were sourced. Health, memories, traditions, seasons, and access can all impact our relationship with food. While these factors influence the food we eat, the foods we eat also affects our health. And therefore, on behalf of Mayor Bob Reish and the Mission Viejo City Council, I hereby proclaim March 2025 to be the National Nutrition Month in Mission Viejo and encourage all citizens to join the campaign in an effort to achieve optimum health benefits from the transformative power of food and nutrition. March 2025, and it's signed by Robert J. Reish, Mayor of Mission Viejo. So here's this one. I'd like to proclaim March 12th, 2025 as Registered Dietitian Nutritionist Day. Whereas registered dietitian nutritionists are the food and nutrition experts who can translate the science of nutrition into practical solutions for healthy living. And whereas registered dietitians, nutritionists have degrees in nutrition, dietetics, public health, or related field from well-respected accredited colleges and universities, completed an internship and passed an examination. And whereas registered dietitian nutritionists use their nutrition expertise to help individuals make unique, positive lifestyle changes, and whereas registered dietitian nutritionists work throughout the community in hospitals, schools, public health clinics, nursing homes, fitness centers, food management, food industry, universities, research, and private practice. And whereas registered dietitian nutritionists are advocates for advancing the nutritional status of Americans and people around the world. And now, therefore, on behalf of Mayor Bob Reish and the Mission Viejo City Council, I hereby proclaim Wednesday, March 12th, 2025, Registered Dietitian Nutritionist Day in Mission Viejo, and I encourage all citizens to recognize the contributions of registered dietitian nutritionists and express appreciation for their commitment to promoting science-based nutrition in the hopes of achieving optimum health for both today and tomorrow. And this one's dated March 12th, signed by Robert J. Reish, Mayor of Mission Viejo. There we go.
Community Outreach Commissioners, I wholeheartedly say thank you. And I want to begin with thanking Mr. Mayor and the entire City Council of City of Mission Viejo for proclaiming March as National Nutrition Month. And National Nutrition Month is a nationwide campaign. It started actually in 1970s as National Nutrition Week, but then took over as month-long campaign in 1980s. And each year they have unique themes. And this time, as we saw, food connects us. Because many times we do not see food as only nutrients in it. Food is the way to live our life. If we visualize any single event, it's a birthday or wedding or date or something, food remains the center point. So we definitely want to connect and be more mindful eater, because food is way to live life, nurture the relationship, connect us with our community. But as a dietitians, we believe food also has transformative powers. So here on behalf of, I'm standing here as a president for California Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, and I want to begin with, on behalf of all registered dietitians in the city of Mission Viejo, in Orange County, in California, and nationally, to encourage to all citizens of Mission Viejo to adopt healthier lifestyle and enjoy food. And I always say, eat right, enjoy each bite, and feel transformed, and feel the power of transformative nutrition. See the registered dietitian, and always we say that we want to eat health for our health, but we never want to forget the health of our planet, because we definitely, our choices we make can also influence the health of our planet. We also want to encourage people that there is a huge food waste in our country. Approximately 40% food goes waste in our country. So we want to minimize the food waste by simply looking what I can do within my capacity. So I encourage people that before you go and shop at a grocery store, shop your own pantry, your refrigerator, your freezer, and we can prevent lots of food waste. Because we always say that food is wasted, then we still have hungry people. Food insecurity is real in our Orange County and in our nation. So we definitely want to do our share, and we always say that shop locally, support our local farmers. This way we can also really support our local economy, and there's nothing better than eating a seasonal food when it comes to nutrition. So on behalf of all registered dietitians, I encourage the city of Mission Viejo to adopt healthier lifestyle by eating right each day and connecting with the food, and seek registered dietitian help. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, City Council member, and the Community Service Commissioners. Mr. Nix and Vicky is there, who really helped me through this process, and we say thank you. And now I would like our colleague Geeta to say a few words about registered dietitian. Thank you so much.
I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist. I've been practicing for over 40 years. I'm currently associate clinical professor at the University of California, Irvine in cardiology. And I want to share with you what it means to be a registered dietitian nutritionist. Dietitians are nutritionists, and nutritionists are dietitians or may not be dietitians. They may be just from some dumb spot diploma mill. So that's why this credential, RDN, is critical if you're going to see an authentic nutrition expert. Otherwise, you don't know exactly what their background is. And so registered dietitian nutritionists specialize in providing medical nutrition therapy. You must be wondering, what is medical nutrition therapy? And that means it's the services of a dietitian, nutritionist, who is registered with the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. And we help patients who are suffering from many chronic diseases, such as diabetes, such as heart disease, such as kidney disease, and so on, right? Cancer, we could go on and on. But my point is that you don't want to get stuck with someone who just pretends to be a nutritionist. So you want to look for the credential of registered dietitian nutritionist, RDN.